Hi, my name is Tommy and I work for Camso as an ATV track system designer. This video is intended to give you a quick overview of our newest track kit system for ATV and UTV, the Camso X4S. Today we will use a BRP Outlander Max 850 XT model as a vehicle for our demonstration. The Camso X4S is the next generation of track kit system, now interchangeable between your ATV and your UTV. For UTV application, it will appeal to hunters, fishermen, outdoorsmen looking to access a remote area, mastering ground difficulties, and transport light load without any loss of power. It remains the most affordable UTV track kit system to get you where you want to go at any time of the year. For ATV application, the Camso X4S is the worry-free solution to get the most of your outdoor activities. Now let's talk about the main technical feature of the Camso X4S. In the rear track kit, we have a high-quality steel frame. Main difference this year, we have larger mid-rollers and idler wheels. Like you can see, there's a big difference in wide between both mid-rollers. We are wider. Why? Because we wanted to increase the track durability. We also have dual bearings inside each wheels, the mid-rollers and also the idler wheels. Those bearings are standard and are replaceable. This will lower your maintenance costs. We also have sprocket adjusted in size to prevent clutch and engine overload. We also have rubberized mid-rollers and idler wheels, and this is to prevent ice buildup during winter use. We also have dual bearing inside the bearing housing in high bat plus an eye plug here. This is to increase the durability of the bearings and also for easier maintenance. Now let's talk about the front track kit. We have an exclusive flex track in the front. This is for more precise steering, and also this will prevent ice projection, ice and snow projection. We also have a steel part here. We call it the tandem. This part is this one. We have a urethane bushing here. It's maintenance-free, no need for greasing. Also, it's for impact absorption, and it's also for better steering. In conclusion, the Camso X4S is our next generation of track kit system, giving you more versatility on your ATV, on your mid-size UTV, no matter what the application. That's it for me. Check the links to our website for more information. Thank you and keep rolling.